Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a survey in Google Forms. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Forms and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're going to find the recent forms. You can click on any form if you want to modify it. And right here in the top, you're going to find start a new form. Basically, right here, you can either start a blank form or you can choose from the templates right here. If you want to see more templates, go right here to the top right and then click on Template Gallery. Once you click on it, right here, you're going to see that the list has been expanded and you can choose any template from here. I'm just going to start a blank form and then this is how it will look like. Right here, you're going to find the title. For example, I'm going to name it survey. And under it, you're going to find a question. You can click on it if you want to edit it. For example, I'm going to type question 1. And from here, you can edit the name of the question, make it bold, italic, add an underline. You can also insert a link or remove formatting. From here, you can choose how you want the answer to be: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down. You can add file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox box grid, and lastly, you're going to find date and time right here. From here, you can add options if you want. Just click and then rename, and then you can add the options. Also, from here, you can add a question. You can import questions. You can add title and description, add image, and add video and section. If you want to edit the theme, just go right here to the top and you're going to find customize theme. Click on it. And from here, you can change the header, text style, color, and so on. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.